Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the Nasdaq Composite Index. We managed to get a rebound from old cloud chart support levels. If we're going to look at where this key level comes from, we managed to find a rebound all the way back to this standard line of the cloud. You can see the little line there, and that coincided very well with these old highs here of August that came into play as a key support zone. So we look back to the cloud chart shadow, the back end of the cloud, to see where the potential rebound is. So now we're back above the bottom in the cloud, so that's bullish overall. Any price action below the bottom in the cloud is bearish. We've not had a MACD buy yet, so it'll be interesting to see if we get that coming through. So the next level to watch out for, we're navigating this turning line of the cloud. We need to break past that resistance, and then the upside target would be the top end of the cloud. Yeah, this level, yeah, of 15,526. And then the standard line of the cloud there, 15,538. So these are the upside targets. It would be great if the market could break past the top end of the cloud. Then the front cloud resistance here, that 15,764, 65 is the next resistance zone. And then this ultimate market top here would be the next one into the year end or the early part of the next year. Looking at the weekly, we can see where we got that rebound from, this cluster of support here in the August highs that came into play very nicely, as well as there's a tiny little front cloud support zone there. If there were less lines in the chart, we won't be able to see it. But so far, so good. Now we're back above the standard line of the cloud here, so that's encouraging signs. We now need to see the top end of the turning line there. That's blue line there, 15,521 is the next upside resistance zone, as well as these highs, 15,819, and then the ultimate market top for it to take out. Turn to the 4-hour chart, where we see a bit more intraday. Not out the woods yet. We're still below the bottom end of the cloud, so that's bearish. So we are having a bearish rally in on a cloud chart basis. We really need to see the Nasdaq break past the top end of the cloud. Yeah, so that's a critical line in the sand. Watch out for 15,576 to see if we're going to get past that level for this rally to really gather some steam. And then the upside resistance target would be this high at 15,788, and then the top end of the cloud at 15,954, and then ultimately this high over there. But we do need to see a breakout past the bottom end cloud chart resistance, that 15,477, and then this line in the sand is a major one to get past 15,573. So we might get to this level by Christmas, and it will be interesting to see if we're going to get a rebound, a reversal at that level if resistance holds, or we're going to get a breakout past that into the new year. It will be interesting to see if that's going to pan out. But that's the 4-hour chart, not out the woods yet. If we look at the 3-hour one, also not out the woods yet. We need to break past. Note that major resistance zone, 15,571 on the 3-hour. Let's take a look on the hourly one. Right there at the bottom in the cloud, we need to see a breakout past that. Will be very encouraging to see the Nasdaq can break past that bottom in cloud chart resistance and then trade back above the top end of the cloud to be bullish. So it really needs to change from bearish outlook to bullish. We've got a weak cloud chart buy signal below the cloud, so it'll be interesting to see if we're going to get that breakout past that zone. 4-hour chart, watch out for the resistance test on the 4-hour chart. Daily so far okay, but we do need to see the price action closer to the top end of the cloud. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.